Good afternoon. How are you?
How are you? Nice to meet you. Jesse.
Please, have a seat.
Thanks.
I will not suppose a surprise as to what that stands for. And to his immediate left is Mr. Dallas.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and good afternoon to our visitors also, and the CEO. Well, we'd like to announce that the 33rd season of the Survivor Series will be shot in Fiji on Mana Island, and this is obviously very, very good news for us. As you know, that the government has been very much focused on bringing in the film industry into Fiji, including television shows. And we are very, very glad that the Survivor producers have seen Fiji as a fit location to have the 33rd series here. We have been encouraging, of course, such productions to come to Fiji, given the very attractive packages that we have offered. The wonderful thing about it is also that it not only creates immediate employment, and it has an enormous multiplier effect in excess of 2.2. But it also does showcase Fiji to the rest of the world, and it helps us with our branding, it helps us with our marketing as far as the tourism sector is concerned. So we are very glad, and I'd love to talk about this a bit later on, but after we get everybody else to talk about it. But thank you very much. And we of course are here through not only through Fiji Airways, but and not only through Film Fiji, but all the other arms of government to make your stay here, an enjoyable experience, and hopefully it already has been.
Yeah, it's been awesome.
And that many people in Fiji, of course, are quite enamored by Hollywood, including Bollywood, and the sort of reality shows that go with it. And I'm sure that you'll get a lot of sort of grassroots support for it too.
Cool.
So thank you very much for that, and we're very excited about this news. MC?
And I'd like to thank the government in particular for all its help and support. Since Dallas and Shanaz first saw me in the office in LA, talked us into coming down to visit. It's been a bit of a process, but it's been awesome, the whole step of the way. We love it out here. All the support that you guys have given us from the FERCA has been amazing, and when is the tax office ever amazing, they've been awesome. Fiji Airways has been great with helping us out with all the tickets and ticketing, and especially Film Fiji, making sure they're always there every time we had a problem. Not that there's a lot of problems, but it's one of the smoothest. I've been on the show for 17 years, and it's for sure the smoothest operation we've had. So thank you very much. And if it wasn't for the rebates, we wouldn't be able to afford to come here. So it's awesome.
Okay, great.
Thank you.